Once there was a man who had spent his entire life working hard to build a successful career. He was always busy and never seemed to have time for anything else. He believed that his work was his life, and he had no time for anything else. One day, while taking a walk in the park, he met a monk who seemed to be lost in thought. The man was curious and asked the monk what he was thinking about. The monk replied, "I'm thinking about time and how we should use it wisely." The man was surprised by this statement. "I have never thought about time in that way," he said. The monk smiled and continued, "Time is the most precious thing we have. We can't buy it, we can't borrow it, and we can never get it back. All we can do is use it wisely." The man was intrigued and asked, "What do you mean by using time wisely?" The monk replied, "We should use our time to do things that matter most to us. Spending time with our loved ones, pursuing our passions, and taking care of our health are all important aspects of life that deserve our time." The man realized that he had been so caught up in his work that he had forgotten to enjoy the other aspects of life. He started to make changes in his life. He took time off work to go on a trip with his family. He joined a yoga class to take care of his health, and started taking regular walks in the park to enjoy nature. As he spent time doing these things, the man found that he was happier and more fulfilled than ever before. He realized that life is not just about work, but also about enjoying the time that we have. Years later, as he looked back on his life, the man knew that he had learned a valuable lesson. Time is the most precious commodity we have, he would tell anyone who would listen. Don't waste it on things that don't matter. So always remember, time is the most valuable commodity we have in life, and it is something we can never get back once it's gone. In our pursuit of success and achievement, it's easy to get caught up in work and forget to make time for the people and things that truly matter in life. Remember that a life well lived is not just about material wealth or status, but also about the experiences and memories we create with our loved ones. So make time for yourself, your family, your friends, and the things that bring you joy. Embrace every moment and make the most of the time you have.